In this session, we are going to learn how to create a digital certificate with Zero SSL. Okay, so let's go to the Zero SSL. Here, provide the domain name which we have chosen earlier. The domain name is myspringweb.tk, and then it will provide the certificate for one main domain and for one subdomain, that is www.myspringweb.tk. Click on the next step. Here I require to provide my email address and the password. Okay, so let me provide my email address. And the password. I have already provided the domain name, so I don't require to provide it once again. I will be clicking on the next step. I am going to choose the 90-day certificate, which is free. Then it will ask me for the validation. Okay, so I'll be clicking on the next step. I'm selecting the free plan, clicking on next. And my certificate is created and is ready for the domain verification. Okay, so let's scroll down, and here it provides the 3 different types of validation, that is email verification, DNS update, and the HTTP file update. So I'll be going for the DNS update, and this particular DNS entry that I supposed to put in my domain name, which is registered with the free name. Okay, so let's go to the free name, which is already there in the browser, and here I require to add the record, and here I will select CNAME. Okay, so here you can see that the entries are provided by the Zero SSL. So name, that I supposed to pick this, I'm copying it and I'm pasting it to the free node. And target is also available. I'm pasting the target. Great. The TTL value is by default 3600. So I'm saving the changes. It is asking for my username and password. So let's provide the username and password once again. Clicking on login. Unfortunately, the records are not added, so let's try to add the records once again from Zero SSL. So let's copy the name once again, and pasting over here, and let's copy the target. Select the type, that is CNAME, and click on the save changes. So record added successfully. Here you can see this is the entry of the CNAME. Okay, so again now you have to wait for some time because it takes some time to propagate all this information across the internet. So let's wait for some time. Okay, now let's check that whether the CNAME is successfully set in the DNS or not. So click on the next step. Okay, so click on the verify domain. Great. So my CNAME is successfully set in the DNS and the certificate is available to me. Now our next step is to download the certificate. We have to wait for some time. Here you can see the certificate is available. I can choose the format whichever I want. So let's check it out, the format. So these are the list of format that we have. Okay, we are going to select the Tomcat and then click on the download certificate. So the certificate is downloaded and click on the next step. Okay, so there is a download and installation guide related to Tomcat available over here. You can go through there also, or you can follow my video. So let's go to the directory where this my springweb.tk.zip is copied. Let's extract it over here. Okay, and let's check the content. Yeah, content are over here. Okay, so this particular certificate files are in a different format. It is in the CRT format. Okay, and along with the private key. So we require to convert this CRT file into PKCS format. Okay, so let's see that how to do that. Let's check out the content of the directory once again. And here I am having various CRT file along with the public key. So here I require to use the OpenSSL to convert this CRT file into PKCS format. So I am using the command OpenSSL PKCS12 export from the file that is certificate.crt which we have downloaded. And the private key is available in this file which is mentioned over here. The certificate authority is there in the c_bundle.crt, and we require to generate this particular file, that is keystore.p12. Hit enter. It will ask for the password. I am providing the same password, and it has successfully generated my certificate. Let's check it out. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's copy this certificate to our application. Copy the certificate and paste over here in the resources directory. Here just I require to change the name of certificate, that is keystore, and here I don't require alias because we don't know about any alias. Save the application. And run the application once again. Great. Successfully we have run the application. Okay, and let's try the application. We have successfully installed the application. Now let's check it from the browser. Localhost, but with HTTPS. Perfect. Okay. Initially it will show the certificate is insecure. see 0 SSL. Okay, now let's try to make the package of the application so that we can host on the EC2 instance. So go to the terminal and run the command, that is mv-nw clean, because it will remove the existing jar file. Then run the command mv-nw install. It has successfully created the jar file. Now let's copy this jar file to EC2 instance. So for that I need the instance detail, that is the IP address. Here it is. Let's copy that IP address, go to the WinSCP, and I guess the session is already started. Okay, no problem, not an issue. Let's find out the path of the application so that I can directly open. Okay, this is the path. I'm copying it. And I'm opening it. Yes, here it is. Okay, so go to the target folder and copy it to EC2 instance. It will overwrite my EC2 instance, which is here. Okay, click on the retry, so it will automatically get connected. Start executing the file, that is sudo java jar sample login.jar. Okay, so the first thing that we will do, we'll check the installation of the certificate, so that I'm moving to the 0 SSL, and here just I will check the installation. Let's check the installation. It shows that the installation is complete. That means that certificate is completely installed. Okay, so now open the browser and type the https myspringweb.tk and hit enter. So here you can see that the certificate is successfully installed. Okay, and which is the secure connection is secure. That's it. Thank you.